Hello, my name is Christopher Skack, and I'm excited to give you an overview of our new 5200 series arbitrary waveform generator. The AWG5200 series, with up to 8 individual 16-bit channels, offers the best cost per channel performance and flexibility that many engineers require today. Also, with its 10 gigasample sample rate, 2 gigasample per channel memory, and very clean RF performance, it enables test and design engineers the needed performance in today's challenging electronic environment. Whether you're working on the state-of-the-art radar or new communication systems or even quantum physics, the AWG5200 series can handle the needed requirements. Looking at the front panel, you can see the clean design with up to 8 differential channels and touchscreen interface, as well as common features such as a removable 2 terabit solid-state drive, as well as accessible USB ports. On the rear panel, you will notice the 4 markers or digital outputs per channel, affording up to 32 outputs when configured as an 8-channel instrument. You will also notice the external clocking, triggers, and synchronization inputs and outputs that allow for easy synchronization of multiple units, as well as the common PC interfaces, including LAN connector for easy automation control. Now, as I show you the user interface, you can see that it was designed for ease of use when building complex waveforms because of the application plugin architecture that lets you pick the waveform generation plugin that fits your application requirement. Current plugins available today are the RF generic plugin that we see here, basic waveform editor, equation editor that lets you build from simple equations, multitone giving you multitone and chirp capability, optical so that you can build true optical type waveforms, table editor lets you edit in a table form of a current waveform, serial gives you several applications. One is a DeFi compliance test, and also high-speed serial lets you build waveforms for true compliance testing. And then we have in the RF area OFDM, lets you build complete OFDM type signals, radar, very detailed radar capabilities, and then RF generic as you see here today. The AWG also supports precompensation plugin that improves the amplitude and phase response over user-defined frequency range and system configurations. This allows you to create very flat response through the frequency range that you want to build your waveform, taking into account losses associated with cables, connectors, and other components in your complete system. The AWG5200 also employs new ASIC technology that allows for complex IQ waveforms to be digitally upconverted using a built-in IQ modulator and numeric controlled oscillator. This allows for baseband IQ waveforms to be internally modulated with a carrier frequency up to 5 GHz, removing the need for external mixers that can degrade the performance of your IQ signal generation and reduces the need for using 2 channels for the external IQ outputs. The AWG5200 series also has incorporated several DC output options as well as AC output capability, including amplification and offsets for specific user requirements. Tektronix AWGs not only makes use of state-of-the-art DAC technology, it also incorporates enhanced FPGA capability that enables complex sequencer and trigger modes that allow the user to build up very complex scenarios of multiple waveforms that can be repeated or jumped from one waveform to another depending on the output signal requirements. Here you can see the sequencer is built by just dragging and dropping a waveform into the track that you want to use. This allows for optimal memory management and fast waveform switching such that there is no delay when jumping from one waveform to another. Tektronix is building AWGs for over 20 years, and the AWG5200 series builds from this expertise and the many customer inputs over the years. With ease of use, state-of-the-art performance, the AWG5200 series will set the standard for AWGs for many years to come. Thank you for checking out this great product.
Find out more at Vicom's website.